In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your friends from contacts list on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and then right here hit add profile icon to open up your profile page. After that, you have to tap add following or followers to bring up your following and followers list, and from here tap add that person and plus icon to bring up find friends feature. And right here at the very top you can find contacts, and now all you have to do is right here tap add find button next to contacts. It says that to connect people you know on TikTok, you have to allow access to your contacts in your device settings. That's because TikTok app doesn't have permission to access to my phone contacts. I can tap at Open Settings and it opens up TikTok settings where I can enable contacts permission for TikTok app. Now I can go back to TikTok. I can open up profile, hit add followers, hit add that plus sign, and then I can tap add contacts where I can find all the users from my phone contacts book. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.